mug on the table, steam between us, fading a little. You said it's late, but you stayed in the doorway, like you were waiting for one more word. I'm halfway to your heart, but the distance feels like ocean. Every time we're close, we drift apart in slow motion. If I reach for you tonight, will you meet me where you are? I'm standing in the dark, halfway to your heart. Photos curl on the edge of the mirror, your face laughing, my arms around it. You left your coat hanging there like a question. How can something still hold your shape? I'm halfway to your heart, but the distance feels like ocean. Every time we're close, we drift apart in slow motion. If I reach for you tonight, will you meet me where you are? I'm standing in the dark, halfway to your heart. Street outside, breathing through the curtains, cars like memories passing in waves. I trace your name on the frost of the window, lines disappearing as I say it again. Do you feel it too, this ache that doesn't sleep? Are you turning over, whispering my name in some other room, in some other life? Or have you folded us away? I'm halfway to your heart, but the distance feels like ocean. Every time we're close, we drift apart in slow motion. If I reach for you tonight, will you meet me where you are? I'm standing in the dark, halfway to your heart. Maybe love is all of these almost hands that brush and let go. Maybe longing is its own language, every silence saying don't go. I play back every second, every joke, every fight, every time I should've held you, should've pulled you back inside. If I could turn a moment into somewhere we could start, I'd walk it like a hallway to your guarded heart. Oh, I'm halfway to your heart, and I'm stranded in the middle. Every step I take, every word feels so little. If I fall into your eyes, will you open up your arms? I'm tired of being lost, halfway to your heart. I'm halfway to your heart, just a breath outside your window. If you hear my voice, let it carry through your shadow. If you call my name tonight, I'll come running through the dark. I don't wanna die, halfway to your heart. Lights turn low, but the feeling is brighter. I leave the door a little unlocked. If you ever find you are aching for somewhere, I'll be waiting. spot. Soft little hope, flicker on the carpet. 2 cups cooling, side by side. If you ever knock in the middle of the quiet, I'll say nothing. Just let you inside.